Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinambakan ng Rain or Shine Elasto Painters ang Blackwater Bossing 122-106. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Adrian Nocom sa likod na kanang 22 points, 5 rebounds, 1 assist, 3 steals at 1 block. Top performer naman ng Blackwater Bossing si Justin Chua sa likod na kanang 10 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists. Humakot naman si Dion Thompson ng 25 points, 6 rebounds, 4 assists at 1 block. Assist Joel 10 points, 4 rebounds, 7 assists at 1 steal. Chongson 11 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists. Clareto 9 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Demioses 8 points, 1 assist. Nag-ambag naman si Nocom ng 22 points, Santillan 20 points, Karakot 6 points, Dato 2 points, Eldefonso 1 point. Para naman sa natalong Blackwater Bossing, George King 35 points, 12 rebounds, 4 assists. Ponferrada 6 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists. Suerte 6 points, 1 assist. Casio 3 points, 1 assist. Chua 10 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists. Nag-ambag naman si Ayon ng 11 points, David 10 points, Escoto 9 points, Quecote 5 points, Hopia 5 points, Tyros Hill 4 points, Cortisa 2 points. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Pinataob naman ng Northport Batangper ang Barangay Ginebra 119-116. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Joshua Monson sa likod na kanang 27 points, 2 rebounds, 6 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Top performer naman ng Barangay Ginebra si Troy Rosario sa likod ng kanang 17 points, 7 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal at 1 block. Nagtala naman si Kadim Jack ng 32 points, 16 rebounds, 3 assists at 1 steal. Tolentino 29 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists at 3 steals. Flores 9 points, 3 rebounds, 1 steal at 1 block. Franyo 2 points at 3 assists. Monson 27 points, 2 rebounds, 6 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Nag-ambag naman si Navarro ng 8 points, Bulanade 5 points, Onwebere 4 points, Kuntapay 3 points. Para naman sa natalong Barangay Ginebra, Justin Brownlee 23 points, 12 rebounds, 4 assists at 1 block. Thompson 17 points, 5 rebounds, 3 assists at 2 steals. Stephen Holt 11 points, 6 rebounds, 5 assists at 2 steals. Aguilar 8 points, 5 rebounds at 1 block. Troy Rosario 17 points, 7 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal at 1 block. Nag-ambag naman si Abarientos ng 17 points, Anmise 12 points, Rafael Co 9 points, Tenorio 2 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of January 8, 2025. Northport Batangper 7 wins 1 loss. Converge Fiber Xers 6 wins 2 losses. Eastern Hong Kong 6 wins 3 losses. Rain or Shine Elasto Painters 5 wins 1 loss. Barangay Ginebra 5 wins 3 losses. Meralco Bolts 4 wins 3 losses. TNT Trupangiga 3 wins 2 losses. San Miguel Bermen 3 wins 4 losses. NLEX Road Warriors 3 wins 4 losses. Magnolia Hotshots 2 wins 5 losses. Phoenix Fuel Masters 2 wins 5 losses. Blackwater Bossing 1 win 6 losses. Tira Firma Jeep 0 win 8 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang mga laro ngayong January 10, 2025 na gaganapin sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Magtutuos ang Tira Firma Jeep at Magnolia Hotshots alas 5 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang NLEX Road Warriors at Meralco Bolts alas 7:30 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.